Steven from Break Free Homestead. We are installing this Style Selections vinyl plank in our basement. If you haven't already, drop over here, find our playlist. We're doing the whole basement finished from framing, insulation, drywall, the whole thing. Check it out. She's ready for this thing to be done. We're just cleaning up the floor because we just did this ceiling over here, but we took full advantage of the basement being unfinished, and we didn't cover a thing when we were doing drywall and paint and whatnot. So first thing we're gonna do is scrape off any globs of drywall or paint. All right, so we went with the Ashen oak of this brand. It's like the medium grade. What we're gonna do here is we have a door over here, and then opposite to that, we have a window. So we're just gonna run it from the window to the wall. Anyway, guys, all right, typically you do your door like lengthwise in your door there. So that's what we're gonna do. You could do it either way, it doesn't really matter. It's up to you, it's your house. If you wanna make it look funky, it's up to you, but let's get to it. You're supposed to do like a 4mm gap on the edges just because this is a floating floor, so make sure you don't forget that.
How could I be so blind? How could I not see? Awake on the floor, looking up.
Just did our first cut for the corner over there. Went very well. Thing about this is nice and easy. We used our utility blade to score across here, and it just basically pops. And so there's no huge mess and crazy saw in here. This will be nice. No headphones, no crazy mess.
I must have been wrong, 'cause your love is strong for him. Why would it not be? He's always there for you.
Alright, this stuff is super similar to installing Pergo type stuff. It's a little bit more brittle. We're staggering our planks, 48, 36, 24, 12. You can do a random pattern or you can do no pattern, which is kind of disgusting, but that's up to you. Kind of just popping in the short side first and then sliding it in down towards your existing boards. Kind of give it a pop in. It's pretty simple. Tap it in towards the board and it'll go right in.
Got me looking like this, like no one before. 'Cause I must be strong, 'cause this might go on for long. 'Cause I was wrong, and he's always there for you. I keep living alone.
Alright guys, the rest of this install went super smooth. We had no obstructions at the end of this wall like we usually do with the baseboard heaters. Those are really a pain in the butt. They get in your way, make it a little bit harder. So this wasn't that bad. These floors are super nice because they're durable and they're actually waterproof. They're not like the Pergo Wet Protect system where it says if you don't clean it up within 5 hours, your floors are going to be ruined. So this is super nice. It has good texture, which makes them feel like nice floors, but you know they're going to last a long time.
must have been wrong, 'cause your love is strong.